Have you two been in here before? What is the purpose of your visit to Marrakesh?
Basically, one of our boys is getting married and we're going to Marrakesh to do his stag do, but obviously we keep it halal.
Hashtag halal, bro.
Can you both please remove your shoes?
Already done it. Not just shoes, bro. Come on, come on.
It's not just that, is it? Laptops, belts, phones.
Oh, chewing gum.
Oh, yeah, of course, chewing gum, bro.
Have you ever had any trouble with the police?
I'm not really buying it, bruv.
What's your name?
Toby.
Toby, do me a favour, yeah? When you say that, just say it with a bit more aggression so we get a little bit scared, you know what I mean?
Yeah, like with good posture and that.
Have you ever had any trouble with the police?
Yes, like that. Like, do you have suspicious items in your bag?
Do you have any links with terrorism?
Do you know how to make a bomb?
Do you know ISIS?
Bruv, to save you some time, I got a PDF copy with all the answers on my phone. I can just send it to you right now if you want.
Or I got a printed copy.
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
Take both, bro. Take both. Come on. Here you go, bro.
Take it.
He's a smart guy.
Good, man.
He's a nice guy.
He'll go far.
Right. I mean, this all checks out. You're free to go.
Hey.
Oh, I do apologise, though, but you have actually missed your 2 o'clock flight.
Ah, Toby, why are you apologising to us for, man? Our flight is at 2 o'clock tomorrow, not today, silly.
Tomorrow? Why did you check in for your flight 24 hours early?
Bruv, come on, mate.
Come on, bro.
Obs. See this?
Bruv.
Obviously. Yeah. Not a tan, my friend.
Nice one.
We'll send in the next Brown boys, yeah?
Yeah, please do. I mean, if you want to.
I didn't say brown. He said it.